Discussing a wide range of issues, but they all rotate about one thing: advancing the struggle, going forward with the struggle to liberate this country. And this is what we are focusing on right now. One of the critical things we have been discussing, of course, it's about formalization of all the arrangements that are required to get our formation off the ground. We have scheduled a very, very big convention on the 8th of July, and it's a convention where we have a number of events and activities which are going to take place on that day. So we had to discuss that, the modalities that we are going to come up with, and also how to advance all those arrangements. The other thing is about networking with other forces of change, because we need to have that framework of how we can coalesce behind a particular platform. Regardless of our differences, the diversities we have in shades of opinion, in colors and whatever, but we need to have a network of how we are going to work together to be able to deliver the change the people of Uganda are yearning for. So that is a matter which has been so central in our conversation this afternoon. The other thing is about their liberties, because you are aware they were committed to High Court on the 29th of May, and also yesterday when we were in court, the magistrate had to close the file at Nakawa on account of want of jurisdiction, because the matter had already been committed to High Court and she does not have jurisdiction over the same. So we are discussing the next sequence of events and how we are going to manage the same. But our central focus is on, again, about procuring bail for them, because we already have the application for mandatory bail and the discretionary bail. So we have to have those consolidated, and we have already moved the court to have this file transferred from the civil division to the ICD, where they had already committed Dr. Besigye for trial, so that we can have this matter disposed of. But also exploring the options and ways of seeking justice elsewhere at the regional and the international level.